going to do router 1, and then you're going to find out what it is. But if you can tell me before I configure router 1 what it is, put it in the chat. I am missing something on this switch that I should have done. Okay, so I'm going to go to the router. I'm going to say no again. All right, enable config T hostname R1. And then I'm going to say the same thing, no IP. Why? Because I make typos. No IP domain lookup. I'm not going to be using the NS. Line con 0. I don't want my typing to be interrupted. That's a bug and a half, but okay, it's just 1 0. Well, let's not do that. Let's exit out of here. Let's just do line con 0. But that's a bug and a half. Login GG, login synchronous, line VTY 0 space 15. Up arrow, done. I'm going to go to the LAN. Nobody's told me anything yet. Interface G0/0. Assign IPs? Nope, it's not about the IPs. I'm going to say no shut, and I'm going to stop right here. I created VLAN 10. The default VLAN is VLAN 1. VLAN 1 can go across what type of ports? Access ports or trunk ports? The native VLAN. Trunk link. Very good, Joe. Very good. So I'll fix that in a second. So I need to trunk G01, which I did not. All right, because VLANs that we create, those are tagged traffic. That means they need to go across a trunk port and get stamped who they are. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to do a router on a stick because we do have VLAN 1. So I'm going to do a router on a stick. I'm going to go up arrow twice and do, this is VLAN 10, so I'm going to do port 10. Then I'm going to do encap, which is going to match the encapsulation type, and I'm going to put when I trunk that port, which is .1Q, and then the VLAN identifier, which is 10. And now I put in the IP address. IP address 192.168.10.254.255.205.205. Come back. .205.0. All right, do WR. So let me go into the switch, and then I'm going to come to port int G01, int G0/1. I'm going to do, now look what happens. Switch port mode trunk. Not going to happen. This is a 3560, 2 different commands. Let's maximize it so you can see it. It's switch port trunk encap.1Q because we used to have the ISL. And then I can do switch port mode trunk. See that? So then we can go ahead and do show int trunk. All right, and now you see the encapsulation type is 021Q. And that's exactly what I did on this router up here is .1Q. So now I should be able to ping. I'll fast forward through time. This is what I love about the packet tracer. This button right here, fast forward. I should be able to go to my command prompt, do an IP config, and then there's my IP address, there's my gateway, 192.168.10.254. Boom. And now I can ping. If I wouldn't have not trunked that, that would have never happened. So let's do it now. Now that we have that, let's do it on each and every LAN interface, right? So let's go to router 2. And when you're working with a packet tracer, make it easy for yourself. Keep this wide. Don't work all shrunk up. All right. You can move that gray bar that's down here so you can move your lab to give yourself space. You can say no, enable, config T, which is going to configure terminal, host name. This is R2. All right. Again, no IP domain lookup. If you're not using DNS, I'm telling you, do this. Line con 0. Login synchronous. Line VTY 0 space 15.